Shawty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse.
Yes, I'm finally back with a video. I took a little skin break, a little breakity break, and I'm back. So today's look is all about some neon colors. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. So as per usual, I did my eyebrows and all that good stuff off camera. So the first color I'm putting down is like a peachy coral color. And I'm basically putting that down as a transition shade before I build up this bright orange shade that I'm going to put all over my crease. So basically, I don't know why. I don't like typically elongated cut creases, but I liked like winged out eyeshadow looks. I just feel like when it comes to elongated cut creases, it's just too much. So by winging out the shadow, it just gives it an illusion that my eyes are bigger. So I'm placing down several different shades of orange to get it to the bright orange that it's going to end up being. So just watch me. And basically, it's no need to really talk because it's just the same as if you're doing like an elongated cut crease. I'm just basically building up the shade in my crease. And instead of it being a full elongated cut crease, as you guys see, I'm dragging that color down to the sides, and I'm going to half cut my crease for the glitter. So basically, I just elongated it. I don't know, I just really like that elongated wing type of shape for some reason. It's my second time doing it. The first time I did it, everybody liked it. Second time around when I did this look, everybody loved it. So yeah. Crease is cut, so now I'm spraying my brush with some Dewy finishing spray, and I'm dipping to a color from the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette. I believe the name of the shade is Sunset Dreaming. If not, I will definitely put the exact shade down below. But I'm patting that all over my lid basically. So honestly, you guys, I hated the glitter I used for this look. So if you guys don't know, I have some cosmetic glitters and I have some fine glitters that I got from the craft store that are eye safe. Not the craft store, I got them from Walmart. They're eye safe. They're very fine glitters. So I bought a neon pack last summer and I've used mostly every shade, but this is my first time really using the orange one, and the orange one would not stick on. It was horrible. Like, it took so many tries for me to get it on, and then when I put it on, like, you guys can't really tell unless it's up close, but the orange glitter just did not work for me. But I used it so I can get this look done for you guys. And also another problem I have with this glitter is that you really can't even tell it's a glitter. Like, it looks like orange sand. So I was really irritated with this glitter. I'm going to try to find another, like, I already found a neon palette, so I'm hoping I can find some neon glitters. But yeah, I was not feeling this orange. Overall, I loved how this look turned out in the end, but that orange glitter just did not do it for me.
Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. This is why I can't never get my makeup done. Let me hear you say, let me hear you say. Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby.
So I'm back, faces on. I just wanted to show y'all which lashes I'll be putting on today. Today I will be wearing the Bougie lashes from Saddity Doll and Honey. These are my favorite lashes of the moment, okay? These lashes, bitch, these lashes right here. I'm about to order like 20 damn pairs of them lashes. I am obsessed, okay? And ladies, also do not forget that I have a coupon code with Saddity Doll. It is down in the description box, but it is also Dolly. You can get 25% off your purchase, honey. Not only does she sell poppin' lashes, she has eyeshadow palettes, liquid lippies, and lace front wigs, baby. Head over to SaddityDoll.com and shop. So the same color combinations that I placed in my crease, basically to elongate it and make this wing shape, I'm placing underneath my eyes. I didn't want to put a bright orange shade under, like a shimmer shade basically in my waterline, because I was just over the glitter and the shimmer at that point. So I'm adding this white loose highlighter into the inner corners. This is the Sugar Dust from LA Colors. It's their loose face and body shimmer. So now I'm taking my Kat Von D Shading Light contouring brush, and I'm taking the Omrizi highlighter by ABH. I'm also going to dip into Opal from Becca, and I'm going to top that with my Snatched highlight from Highlighter Goddess. I also have a coupon code with them. All my coupon codes are now in my description box. Please feel free to use them. We all want to save some coin, sis. We all want to save some coin. So yeah, this whole highlight just comes together and makes the look pop. I've been testing out this Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics Lash, Jesus Christ, mascara. I got it in my influencer box. I'm really feeling it. Like, it volumizes my lashes just as good as the Maybelline Great Lash. So my first video back after a break was actually supposed to be a chit chat get ready with me, and I was going to tell you guys I had won a giveaway prize from another YouTuber, and I won the NYX Sugar Trip Lippy Vault, and it has a bunch of NYX lip liners in there and matte liquid lipsticks. So I've been trying that out over the last couple days. I believe this shade is called Romance Me. It's a NYX lip lingerie, and they have a matching NYX suede pencil. This was like a little too chocolate kind of brown for me in a way, so I topped it with the rose brown liquid lipstick from Saddity doll, and then I'll top it with my favorite lip gloss ever, which is the Bite Beauty Prismatic Cream Lip Gloss in Oyster Pearl. I need to buy like 10 of those lip glosses, honey.
Patty, I see you too. This what y'all been wanting? This what they waiting for? Okay. Queen. Neck tat, say Onika. I got more slaps than Aretha. When you lose the queen, niggas friendly, dawg. It was just back to back like Wembley, dawg. Now you all the way back up in the Bentley, dawg. I turn lemons into lemonade simply, dawg. Oh boy, yeah, my brother tried to end me, dawg. I heard they looking for the owe me. A couple of you niggas still owe me. You asked for the goat, so they sent me, sleaze. Tryna lay low, don't tempt me, sleaze. 30 in the clip will be empty, sleaze. You bitches still my sons, learn your A's and B's. Lead a hate train in the station, please. I was in the court, no J's and B's. Made a change of mind in the judge chamber, sleaze. The max on the line, I ain't talking about the PC. I'm the biggest fish in the pan, I'll do you. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana. And I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana. You gon' have to give me Tapiana if you tryna get some Slappiana. I call my ops Appiana. They shut down Eve St. Loriana.